Welcome to our guide on how to edit your current city on your Facebook page. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Next, tap on the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and locate the Pages option. Now, switch to your desired page by tapping the down arrow next to your profile picture at the top. Select the page you want to make changes to. Once you've accessed your page, tap on your page's profile picture. Look for the Edit icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Edit Your About Info option at the bottom. Under the Places Lived section, tap the pencil icon next to your current city. Make the necessary changes to your current city. Double-check the information for accuracy. Finally, save your changes by tapping the Save button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your current city on your Facebook page. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching.